Whether your channel is new or established, the best YouTube cameras will help you on your way to winning a gold play button. We've tested all the best YouTube cameras and shared our top picks in this comprehensive list. Whatever your genre, the video is designed to help you find the ideal YouTube camera for your needs and budget. To help get you to the right model, we've listed the top 6 cameras for YouTube and their key features, plus the things you'll need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You'll also find a more detailed analysis and comparison tool on our website, legitpic.com. Number 6. Fujifilm X-S10. If the Sony ZV-E1 sounds like overkill, consider a mid-range option like the Fujifilm X-S10. Though it's been superseded by the even more powerful Fujifilm X-S20, the X-S10 is notably cheaper and still has plenty to offer. It's well built with accessible controls, a comfortable grip, and a fully articulated screen to easily monitor yourself while recording. For those who prefer a more hands-off approach, Fujifilm's simulation profiles allow you to change up the look of your videos in camera. Video quality is also excellent, thanks to its high-resolution APS-C sensor. This is one of the few cameras at this price point to feature in-body image stabilization, which can help smooth out camera shake when shooting handheld. Add in an autofocus system that can keep up very well in video, and a high frame rate mode in 1080p for slow motion recording, and you've got yourself a super versatile camera for a range of video styles. Number 5. Nikon Z30. Nikon now has 3 APS-C cameras in its Z mirrorless range, and the Z30 is unabashedly vlogger-focused. It's got no viewfinder, just a vari-angle screen, and is capable of shooting uncropped 4K UHD video. Tiny and compact, the Z30 is light enough to carry pretty much anywhere, and we love its chunky, protruding hand grip that makes one-handed shooting a breeze. The Z cameras are still in relatively early days, especially those with smaller APS-C sensors. This means there aren't as many lenses widely available to specifically fit these cameras. Not nearly as many as there are for the Z30's nearest obvious rival, the Sony ZV-E10, which benefits from the long history of Sony's E-mount. Still, this is a cleverly designed camera with a lot going for it, like in-camera stabilization for video and a decent built-in mic with wind noise reduction. Number 4. Sony ZV-E10. The Sony ZV-E10 is a compact crop sensor camera with interchangeable lenses and a 24.2 megapixel sensor. The side-opening vari-angle LCD screen simplifies the process of taking selfies and vlog-style videos and photos. This 12.8-ounce camera is capable of going just about anywhere you go, so it's perfect for content creators. 4K video is oversampled from the 24.2 megapixel sensor, giving you an even better video quality than you'd normally expect from 4K. Real-time autofocus tracking allows you to easily hold focus on a moving subject, which is perfect for creators that shoot video of anything that moves. The phase detection autofocus points cover 84% of the sensor's image area to ensure quick and accurate autofocus. The camera also has a built-in slow and quick mode, allowing you to easily record videos at up to 5 times slower than real time, or 60 times faster. This process is all done in camera, so creators that are new to editing won't need any external software to create the desired effect. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix GH6. Every YouTuber brings a unique blend of skills and expertise to their craft. For those who revel in the intricate art of videography, pushing boundaries and exploring the depths of visual perfection, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 stands as a beacon of unparalleled prowess. At its heart, the GH6 boasts a new 25-megapixel stacked sensor. But this isn't just about the numbers, it's about performance. This state-of-the-art sensor promises swifter readout speeds, unleashing a plethora of video options. Dream of shooting in an exotic codec? The GH6 delivers, even allowing for breathtaking 5.7K resolution at 30 frames per second in Apple ProRes format. However, a word of caution for the casual videographer, the Lumix GH6 might just be too much camera for you. Its features, while expansive and impressive, cater to those with an intimate understanding of filmmaking. But for those who resonate with the technicalities, the GH6 is not just a choice, it's the gold standard. The inclusion of CF Express Type B card slot further accentuates its commitment to excellence, allowing users to harness the speed and reliability of one of the best memory cards in the market. In conclusion, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 stands out as a testament to what happens when engineering meets passion. For the true video aficionados, this camera is less of a tool and more of a masterpiece waiting to be wielded. Number 2. Canon EOS R5. For those seeking to marry advanced tech with unlimited creative freedom, look no further than the Canon EOS R5. Positioned at the zenith of camera technology, this hybrid creation caters to both still photography and video enthusiasts. But where it truly shines is its unmatched video capabilities. 8K at 30 frames per second isn't just a feature, it's a statement. While it may seem like overkill for standard YouTube content, its real magic lies in the flexibility it offers. Imagine shooting in 8K, only to crop and refine to achieve a pristine 4K shot. Or if you prefer, take advantage of its native 4K shooting mode. For those seeking to add drama and slow motion flair, the 4K at 120 frames per second option is a dream come true. Autofocus in videography can be a hit or miss, but with Canon's dual-pixel CMOS 2 autofocus, you're assured of precision every single time. And for those who felt the weight of a camera shake or the challenge of shooting handheld, the EOS R5's in-body image stabilization is nothing short of a revelation. Lens aficionados will revel at the evolving collection of RF lenses, which are acclaimed for their unparalleled sharpness. Those loyal to the EF DSLR lenses aren't left behind either. The EF to RF adapter ensures seamless integration with the R5, preserving the full functionality. However, every masterpiece has its quirks. The EOS R5 faced its share of criticism regarding overheating during prolonged high-resolution shoots, but it's vital to keep this in context. While it's an aspect to be cognizant of, it doesn't overshadow the camera's broader brilliance. As many experts, including us, have highlighted, the Canon EOS R5 remains a masterclass in camera engineering and is arguably one of the finest options for professional YouTubers who won't settle for anything but the best. Number 1. Sony A7S III. The A7 III's back-illuminated full-frame sensor delivers best-in-class 4K video in low-light situations, making it the ideal choice for YouTubers who shoot in varied lighting conditions. With 15 stops of dynamic range and in-body image stabilization system, we found it to be highly effective. It's able to capture beautiful-looking videos in situations that would thwart most of its competitors. The sensor's relatively low resolution of 12.1 megapixels doesn't rule out 6K and 8K recording and limits detail for still shooting. The powerful Bion's ZR processor allows 4K footage to be recorded at up to 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion playback. We like the full-size HDMI output, found the autofocus to be class-leading, and we're big fans of support for several picture profiles, including the popular S-Log. The ability to record long clips of 30 minutes plus with no overheating issues means it's understandably a very popular YouTube workhorse among those who can afford it. And there you have it, folks. From the nimble versatility of the Fujifilm X-S10 to the unrivaled prowess of the Sony A7S III, we've showcased the top tier of cameras for all YouTube creators out there. Whether you're capturing the whispers of the wilderness or the pulse of urban life, these choices stand ready to elevate your content to cinematic brilliance. Yet remember, while these cameras offer the keys to a visual kingdom, it's your vision, your narrative, and your unique flair that will breathe life into each frame. So with the perfect gear in hand and passion in your heart, set forth and illuminate the world with your stories. If you found value in our rundown, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth insights. Until our next tech rendezvous, keep creating, keep innovating, and above all, keep capturing the extraordinary in the ordinary. Cheers!